So I just got done installing this CQuartz Uk 4.0 on my Acura. It's a 2012 Acura TL. Came out extremely nice, really nice and glossy. Paint looks just like glass. I mean, this car's got 200,000 miles on it already, and just kind of wanted to give it an extra little shine. So is what I did. I polished it. I used the Iron X, CarPro's Iron X, and clay barred it, paint polished it, and then went and used the CarPro eraser. I'll leave links to all that in the description, by the way, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I did that, and then the way I applied it is on the little pads that they give you. I took the product here and made a U after I stuck the suede microfiber on the pad, made a U on it. So I used a little, I was very generous with it. There's probably, after this one car, there's probably about 3/4 of the bottle. There's about 1/4 of the bottle left. I used 3/4 at least, and basically I just did it in the crisscross, and I let it flash for 1 minute. After I did one area, so like for example, I did half of the door here from this part up here, and did half of that, applied it in the crisscross, side to side, and then up and down, right back over it. Set a timer on my phone for 1 minute exactly, and it flashed, and I removed it. It came off extremely easily. I'd say it came off even easier than it would have, than wax would have. But I'm very, very happy with the outcome of this. I'm still in the 24-hour period, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain out here, and it's not supposed to, but as you can see, it's a little bit cloudy though, but it's just extremely shiny, and even in the even with the car has some scratches and some small little swirl marks in there still after the polish. There's the sun kind of coming out now, so you can even see it even better. See if the camera will focus in. And you can just see it just shining. I didn't want to put any tire shine on it yet, just to minimize the chance of any type of chemical spilling over on it. But that's what I did. I just set the timer for 1 minute, wiped it off, and everything came out perfectly. Then I went back, I did that twice, and then I went back over it after an hour of letting the second coat sit with the CarPro reload that came in my kit. And after that, it topped everything off, and I'm probably going to keep up with that every other month. But the first time I'm going to do it, I'm going to let the car get about a month's worth of dirt on it, and then I'm going to wash it off, and then I'll apply another thing of reload, and then after that I'll wait every other month. So yeah, that's just what I did. Hopefully these tips can help anyone that's attempting this. I was a little bit scared to do it, I guess, at first. Didn't really know. I really didn't know what I was doing. This was the first time me doing it, but I kept watching YouTube videos on it, and I mean, it came out perfect. It was extremely easy once I did the first application on the hood where I started. I just figured out, like, I mean, it's extremely easy. So just want to share with you guys. Thank you for watching.